How to create stickers in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create stickers in WhatsApp. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is you'll need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So for that, open up your App Store, then search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, open it up, and then simply, if you see an update button like this, tap on update and then update your app. After you've updated the WhatsApp app, open it up. Then you can go to any DM that you want. And after you here in the text area, you'll find a stickers option. Tap on that. From here, you can tap on the create option right here. Now simply select the image of which you want to create the sticker of. Then automatically the sticker will be created. Now there will be different versions of it, such as a full frame or simply a cutout version. So select whichever you want and then tap on send. And that's how you can create stickers in WhatsApp. The sticker will also get saved right here and you can have multiple of them. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And it's that simple, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.